Complacency is permeating the American stock markets. Just an hour before the close of markets on May 31, one could see flashes across the screen that Dow set to close 3% higher for the month of May. One could see distinct signs of complacency, and one could see a tremendous sell-off in the last 1 hour, as a result of which Dow closed down 200 points. Net, it was up about 1.3% for the month of May. I believe that there is tremendous amount of complacency which crept first into gold, then into the Nikkei, and now into the Dow Jones. We have seen a tremendous wave of selling in gold, followed by Nikkei, and what seems to be just a one-off day yesterday, I think could result into a heavy wave of selling over the next few months in the American stock markets. Reason? Federal Reserve is tapering off its bond purchase program, and the easing of the monetary easing by the central bank, that is the Federal Reserve, could result into withdrawal of liquidity from various parts of the world, with its impact on not only the developed stock markets but also in the emerging world stock markets. There was a tremendous amount of liquidity which had gone, and a lot of flow of money into Indian stock markets, and I expect that even this could get a good hammering over the next few months. Whether the Federal Reserve is likely to withdraw immediately or sometime after a few months, I believe it is only the question of time. American data seems to be suggestive of the fact that growth is beginning to return in the North American continent, and understanding the hazards of continuing an easy program for such a long period of time, Federal Reserve is naturally very keen to close the tap. Almost all the Fed members seem to be agreeing to this. Nikkei has been following a very weird pattern. On days it has been falling 5% to 7%, and some days it has stabilized. Is this also another one-off, or is this selling in Nikkei expected to continue? If you look at it very closely, Nikkei has been following the announcements coming from the Federal Reserve members. On days when the Federal Reserve members seem to be suggesting that the withdrawal of monetary easing is drawing close, those days Nikkei falls quite substantially. This seems to be indicating that the liquidity had a major say in the rise in various markets, whether it was gold, the Nikkei, or the Dow Jones. And as the liquidity begins to get withdrawn, all these markets are expected to continue to correct in the proportion in which they have risen. We started with gold, Nikkei was next, and Dow Jones, I believe, is next on the cards. So expect a heavy wave of selling in the Dow Jones, and I would not be surprised to see it fall by more than 1,000 points over the next few months. Keep tuned. We'll stay invested over a longer period of time, and we understand which are the opportunities that will emerge, but this will, I think, emerge only after the month of August. I expect a tremendous wave of selling over the next few months in world stock markets.